I felt a bit lost. And I was lucky enough to mastermind early on in that first year. And it was just so nice to have that connection. So just having a group that could hear me out and offer advice is what I really needed. I didn't have that before the mastermind. I didn't have a reliable group that would support me.
Yeah.
Better Leaders, Better Schools is different. The mastermind is different. I think it's that, with what's the mastermind, it's the one-to-one, it's, hot seat, it's current as in I can tell, you and I could break down a hot seat right now, or you're available on a call or to help me if I'm losing sleep over a decision. But at the same time, I'm growing professionally with some sort of a book we're reading, a book study where we are growing professionally, holding each other accountable, having intellectual conversations, pushing each other. The hot seat, I think, is just such a fantastic way of sharing what's on your chest, getting it off your chest, getting feedback. I know that I have a support team around me. I have my own professional cohort, if you will. So I think the combination is what's really important. But I think also, Danny, you've been good at challenging us to grow. You don't let us get stagnant because you don't let yourself get stagnant as a leader. And that's inspirational.